Introducing this 2018 Chrysler Pacifica Wheelchair Accessible van. Where premium comfort meets proven accessibility. This Pacifica is built with a trusted VMI Northstar side entry conversion, featuring a fully automatic in-floor ramp system. With just 71,300 miles, it blends Chrysler's modern design with reliable mobility you can count on every day. On the outside, you'll find a clean white finish, while inside you're welcomed with a sleek black leather interior. The in-floor ramp stows neatly out of sight, keeping the cabin spacious, uncluttered, and perfect for families, caregivers, or individuals who value comfort without compromise. Powered by a dependable 3.6-liter V6 engine, this van delivers smooth performance, whether you're running errands in the city or taking a long road trip. This 2018 Chrysler Pacifica combines premium styling, a proven mobility conversion, and low mileage to give you both luxury and reliability. It's ready to make your travel easy, comfortable, and worry-free. For more details, visit automobilitystore.com or call us today at 800-431-3183. Let us help you find the freedom and comfort you deserve.